A lean product spec is the blueprint of your MVP. It defines what you're building, why you're building it, and how you'll know it's successful. Unlike traditional product documents that can run dozens of pages, a lean spec is concise, focused, and action-oriented. Its purpose is to create alignment and clarity without slowing your team down. At its heart, a lean product spec answers 5 key questions. What problem are we solving? Who are we solving it for? What does success look like? What are we building? And what are the constraints or trade-offs we're willing to accept? Let's break it down. Start with the problem statement. This should describe the user's pain in clear, simple terms. Avoid jargon or solutions at this stage. Focus on the why. For example, remote teams struggle to stay aligned because they lack visibility into daily progress. This defines the challenge your MVP exists to solve. Next, identify your target users. Be specific. Who exactly experiences this problem? Include relevant context such as job roles, goals, and frustrations. A product for remote software developers will look very different from one for sales teams, even if both deal with collaboration issues. Then, outline your core hypothesis, the assumption you're testing. For example, we believe a lightweight dashboard showing daily team updates will improve communication and reduce status meetings by 50%. This ensures every feature ties back to a measurable learning goal. Now comes the solution summary, a clear one-paragraph description of what you're building. Keep it short and human. For instance, we're building a web-based dashboard where remote teams can post quick daily updates that automatically sync to Slack. This gives everyone a shared understanding of the product's scope. From there, list your core features, but resist the urge to include everything. Use a prioritization framework like Moscow or Rice to focus only on what's essential for the MVP. Describe each feature's purpose and how it supports your hypothesis. For example, Feature 1, Team Update Posts, allows users to share their daily focus in under 60 seconds. Keep it crisp and outcome-driven. The next part of your lean spec should cover user experience. Include a simple flow or low-fidelity sketches to illustrate how users will navigate through your product. You don't need polished designs, just enough to communicate how the experience will work. Then define your success metrics. These are the KPIs that tell you whether your MVP is performing. Common examples include activation rate, daily active users, retention rate, or conversion rate. Choose 2 to 3 that align directly with your hypothesis. The goal isn't to track everything. It's to measure what matters most. Don't forget to list assumptions and risks. What could go wrong? What dependencies or unknowns might block progress? Calling these out early helps your team make smarter decisions and adjust quickly when challenges arise. Finally, define scope and timeline. Set clear boundaries for what will and won't be included in this MVP version. A lean spec is not about perfection. It's about clarity and speed. Specify a short, realistic timeline, such as build and test within 6 weeks to maintain momentum. A great lean product spec is more than a document. It's a shared understanding. It gives everyone, from designers to developers to marketers, a unified direction. It eliminates guesswork, minimizes overbuilding, and keeps your focus where it belongs, solving real problems for real users. In short, your lean product spec is the bridge between your idea and execution. It translates vision into action, helping your team stay aligned and agile. And because it's lean, it evolves easily as you learn, test, and grow.